Now let's talk about 3 new string functions that has been added to PHP 8 and they are very useful. So let's go through all of them one by one. We have a sentence, PHP is a powerful language, and we have a word, PHP. We want to see if the word exists in that sentence. Now we can use a string contains. The first argument is a sentence and the second argument is the word. This is going to return true or false. So let's var dump the result. Now let's run the code PHP 8 index.php and it contains PHP in this sentence. Perfect. Let's change the word to powerful and let's see if it works. Great. Another very useful function is a string starts with a word or not. A string starts with a word or not. Let's see. It doesn't start with powerful. Exactly, it's false. But if I change the word to PHP again, it's going to return true. Perfect. And the other very useful function is a string ends with. A string ends with the word. For example, here it doesn't end with PHP, but it ends with language. So let's see. Exactly, it ends with language. So it's str ends with, str starts with, and str contains. These 3 new functions are very useful and very powerful. That's it for today. Let's continue with our course.